MP keseng Kongres na Tura usaleng sangma ula kentu ya ke sorkar pedeng ban Pynkynriah Jaka ya ki prapu arteli ki Longïing Longsem ki basyong basa ha Khappud Meghalaya Bangladesh. Da ka penpau ya ka ne ka mat ha ka por balong ka dorbar mang tingka ha po yeng dorbar thau an. Usang ma ula pentep baki ne ki Longïing ki lai kendu shibun ki jingjenjar na ka daw jong ka jingker sainar ya ki Jaka Khappud ka balakta ru ya ka let ka wan jong ki. Usang ma ula penpau ru ya ka jingdon kam ka bekerki ha ka baydei bat ki lat jing sumar ka basyak ta shisien balapalat ya ka san baje janmit. Ula banjur halor ke jingdan kam kerki ban Pynkynriah no ya kini ki Longïing sya ki Jaka ki bakham shingan. Laken turu ya ka sorkar ban shim khia bha ya ka bha kamiat jongki khnang bakin la ban yo ya ki jingdan kam jongki ba jongki man la kasngi.
People living in the international border area who are living in fear and agony and pain. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to bring to the Northeast those who are living on the international border, those who have been fenced outside the fence. Our own citizen has been fenced outside the international border, Mr. Chairman, sir. So if there is no relocation for these people who are living in the border area outside the fence, in the evening, after 5, they cannot even come back to any hospital even to relocate if there is any pain or any agony. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to urge upon you through this House, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, they should be relocated. More than hundreds of households are in pain right now.
Karib Hoi District Kaladep Pen